Thinking of upgrading your golf cart for more comfort and extra seating? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best golf cart rear seats that can make your ride smoother and more practical. From sturdy builds to smart designs, I'll walk you through what makes each option worth considering. And yes, I'll share both the pros and cons so you know exactly what to expect. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick: Universal Rear Replacement Cushions. I recently upgraded with these universal rear replacement cushions, and they fit my flip rear seat perfectly. The cushions feel firm yet comfortable, giving passengers a much better ride compared to worn-out originals. I also like that they're designed to work with multiple models like Easy Go and Club Car, which makes them a versatile replacement option. The white color gives the cart a clean, refreshed look, though it does show dirt more easily and requires regular cleaning to maintain. Installation was straightforward, and the overall build quality feels durable. For cart seat cushions, this set is a practical and budget-friendly choice. Number 2. My second best pick: Golf Cart King Golf Cart Rear Seat. The Mods Flip 4 Rear Seat Kit for Club Car DS is a great upgrade if you want to add both functionality and comfort to your golf cart. The seat feels sturdy and well padded, making it comfortable for passengers on longer rides. I really like the flip design, which easily converts into a cargo platform, perfect for carrying gear or groceries. The white finish gives the cart a clean, modern look and stands out nicely. On the downside, installation takes some time and is easier if you have an extra set of hands. Overall, it's a durable, stylish, and versatile kit that makes your golf cart far more useful. Number 3. My third best pick: Performance Plus Carts Club Car Precedent. The Performance Plus Carts Flip Folding Rear Seat Kit is a solid choice if you own a Club Car Precedent, Onward, or Tempo, and adds a lot of versatility by converting quickly into a flat cargo area. I found the frame to be heavy-duty and stable, which gives confidence when carrying extra passengers or hauling items. The buff color blends well with most cart styles, giving it a clean, factory-like look. One downside is that the installation instructions could be clearer, so plan on taking some extra time during setup. Overall, it's a durable, practical upgrade that boosts both comfort and functionality. Number 4. My fourth best pick: GTW Golf Cart Rear Flip Seat Kit. The GTW Mach 3 Rear Flip Seat Kit for EasyGo TXT is a strong and practical upgrade if you want to add seating or cargo space to your cart. The steel frame feels very solid, giving passengers a stable and safe ride. I like the flip feature, which quickly turns the seat into a flat bed for carrying coolers, tools, or other gear. The cushions are comfortable and hold up well for longer rides. It's also a versatile choice. The only drawback is that installation can be a bit time-consuming if you're doing it alone. Overall, a durable and functional kit worth the investment. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick: Universal Rear Replacement Cushions. These universal rear replacement cushions are a great way to refresh a worn-out golf cart seat. The set includes both the bottom and back cushions, which makes a big difference in comfort for passengers. The fit is solid on flip rear seats, and I like that it works with multiple models like Easy Go and Club Car, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. The cushions feel supportive and durable, holding up well even with regular use. The only downside is that lighter colors can pick up dirt quickly, so you'll need to clean them often. Overall, a reliable and cost-effective replacement set that improves both comfort and appearance. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite to hear what you're riding with?
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.